Join me as I whip up the most mouth-watering Italian sausage pasta recipe that you won't be able to resist. It's also known as dirty or filthy pasta. Well, thank you, Rome. You can serve me this pasta anytime. But enough daydreaming of Italy. It's time to make your own. You want a pan of hot, salted, boiling water. It has to be salted. You want that pasta to be tasty. 250 grams of rigatoni pasta going in there, and then I'm placing in 150 grams of pancetta. I would love some guanciale, the proper stuff, but I don't have an Italian deli near me. Then it's 3 Italian sausages. You can remove the casing if you want. Doesn't bother me. And then what you're going to do is cook it for a few minutes and it will break up. Gradually it will come together like breadcrumbs, all nice and crispy and tasty, and the smell in your kitchen will be divine. Now just set aside the meat for a moment or two because we've got to cook off the onion. So you're going to use 1 white onion that's been chopped, cook it for about a minute or two, and then you're going to add in 200 grams of tomato passata. Again, cook it for another minute or two so that it sort of thickens and reduces down. Then you can add the meat back in, and again, just give it a little bit of a stir to combine. Then you're going to add the pasta. Don't drain away that beautiful pasta water. We're going to need it. We're going to make a sauce with it. So just add the pasta first of all and mix it round. Then add just a ladle full at a time, just a little bit, and just add that pasta water in and mix round. Now to make the sauce, it's egg yolks. Yes, 3 egg yolks, not the whites, a pinch of salt, a good grinding of black pepper, and around about 100 grams of pecorino romano. If you can't get that either, just use some parmesan, but the pecorino gives a wonderful salty flavour. Add this to your pasta off the heat, otherwise you might get a bit of scrambled egg. And as you'll see, it's going really nice, thick and creamy, but we're going to use a little bit more of that pasta water again. Eventually it will come together as a beautiful sauce. I cannot tell you how beautiful this dish is. It serves 2 greedy people, but of course you can always double it up. And if you want the full written recipe, you know where to go by now. It's my website, cookingwithemily.co.uk.